Hello. This is grocery. Oh, I buy the mushroom here. So cute. Ubus na, so better go here early because ubus na the food. What's this? Try. Have a lot. Mga wine and spirit selection. Premium wine. These are the liquor. Oh, they're mga sale, guys. So they have, if you're a fan of Thatchers, this one. Wine tour. Yeah. So here in the UK, guys, they like to drink wine and sobrang mura ng wine nila. So yeah. Oh, they have Coke. Oh, they have Coke finally. Okay, we're buying that. Look at their Coke, guys. 1.75 liter. May butal. Cute. If you're a fan of chocolates, they have this a lot of Cadbury. They have KitKat, M&M, and all. And then they have a selection of I guess the cheese curls. Ooh, daming kalat. And some what seeds. Saging, 5-6 bananas, 88p. Banana. Pero parang nice yung banana nila. Parang nice, pero parang maliit. Small one. Parang gusto ko yan. We are getting lemon. Ito tayo. Sa lemon, 65p. Ito tayo maganda. Pero this one, pili tayo, guys. Medyo magandang quality. Ta-da! These are the bread selections. How much favorite? 139. 89. I love fruits. I want the mango, please. Mango. Avocado ready to eat. 129 na lang. Oh, it's just 2 pieces. Ito na lang ripen at home. These are the apples. If you're a fan of pancake. I like sushi actually very much. In love with sushi. So I suggest if you love sushi like me, you can buy this. Kasi baka mo na lang sa work. And it's expensive kasi sa mga restaurant. Sometimes this one costs around mga 5 or actually 8 sa restaurant. But here, it's just 199, 399. The blueberry. Sorry. An expensive long. Raspberry is 3. Strawberry is 189. We're getting that. Let's try this. Cherries, expensive cherries. Could I like? These are the chicken. regular cheeses. We have this one. Should we buy? Mature. Oh, so cute. Cheddar style. These are the groceries so far. I like goat cheese. Ito or wrong? Nescafe is $5.99. It's very chamomile. $2.79 for eggs. There's no egg white. Just go early because naubos siya. These are the oils, guys. Apple cider vinegar, please. Abot yung bigat.